Pole canopy installation video. Please check the parts list first. Take out the upper standpipe and connect the middle standpipe. Use long screws and nuts for installation. Use the same steps to install the second root. Insert the center riser into the support rod kit. Adjust to proper position and tighten to secure. Use the same steps to install the second root. But lower standpipe with middle standpipe. Attach with small screws. The other side is connected in the same way. Take out the 3 front crossbars and 2 small screws and assemble them. Take out 3 long aluminum tubes and 2 short aluminum tubes. Connect them in turn with screws, cannot be screwed very tight, convenient for subsequent wear. Thread the cloth into the aluminum tube slot until the whole piece is in. Tighten and tighten screws. Roll up the cloth. Secure both ends with screws. Take out the square shaft plug. Install on the side where you want to install the hand rocker. Remove the circular shaft plug. Install on the other side. Put in the flat gasket first. Insert nut to tighten. Take out the top leg and tuck it into the top through the front rail. Connect the support bar to the front crossbar. Install the hand rocker. Adjust height to support ceiling and floor. Turn the bottom knob to hold the rod firmly in place. Turn the hand rocker to adjust the length of the tarp. At this point, the awning is installed.